Hey everyone! Today we're checking out the 6 best dash cams with Sony STARVIS 2 sensors. These powerful sensors ensure top-notch video quality, even in the darkest conditions. Let's get started and find the perfect dash cam for your needs. Number 6. 70 MY810 4K Dash Cam. First and foremost, the video quality of this dual dash camera is outstanding. Equipped with the Sony STARVIS 2 sensor, it captures crystal clear 4K footage both during the day and at night. The dual HDR front and rear cameras ensure that no detail goes unnoticed, providing a comprehensive view of the road ahead and behind. One feature that sets the 70 MY A810 apart is its built-in GPS. This allows for accurate tracking of my location and speed, providing valuable information in case of any incidents or accidents. Additionally, the Smart Parking Guardian mode ensures that your vehicle is protected even when you are not around. It automatically detects any motion or impact, capturing the event and providing you with peace of mind. Number 5. Vantrue N4 Pro. Using the latest Sony STARVIS 2 sensor, the N4 Pro's front and side and rear triple car camera supports up to 4K resolution, delivering cinematic smooth 4K image quality that makes reading license plates a breeze, day or night. Adopting the Sony STARVIS 2 image sensor, which can provide better low-light performance and clarity compared with STARVIS, enables the N4 PRO Dash Cam to record images of moving vehicles more accurately and quickly without blurring or chromatic aberration. The upgraded buffered motion detection allows you to manually adjust the recording area to avoid trivial videos caused by changes in skylight or falling leaves, etc., thus saving space on your SD card. Number 4. 70 MY4K Dash Cam. This 4K camera can achieve dual vision recording, which allows you to capture both the road ahead of you and behind you, providing clearer visuals and finer details on the road. Install the rear camera easily without connecting cables or plugging in ports. Equipped with built-in GPS, the 70 MY4K A800S can monitor and display real-time trip data, including time, speed, and coordinates. Tracks the exact location of an accident if one should occur, crucial for roadside assistance and insurance claims. The 4K Dash Cam has a built-in G-sensor that may identify sudden occurrences or crashes. It protects the pertinent video, making sure that important records aren't lost or overwritten. Additionally, it allows loop recording, which ensures uninterrupted, ongoing recording. By replacing outdated video files with fresh ones when storage capacity is approaching. Number 3. VIOFO A119 Mini 2. The VIOFO A119 Mini 2 Dash Cam is impressive and revolutionary, deploys Sony's newest STARVIS 2 sensor, delivering clear, sharp footage even in low light. This 2K Mini Dash Cam can bring low noise, eliminate motion blur, and shoot clearer details during day and night recording. A 119 Mini 2 has a rather mini design, making it much easier to hide behind or next to the rear view mirror. This dash cam's front 140-degree wide angle provides a good field of view for recording everything that happens on the road. You can fully immerse yourself in your journey. By giving simple voice commands, VIOFO Front Dash Cam A119 Mini 2 allows you to lock the video, take photos, turn on and off Wi-Fi, and more. Number 2. 70 MY A510 Dash Cam. This 4K dash cam offers front and rear dual recording in Ultra HD 1944p plus 1080p resolution, providing clearer visuals and finer details on the road. The front camera has a 140-degree field of view, and the rear camera covers 130 degrees, effectively reducing blind spots and giving you added peace of mind during your journeys. Empowered by the advanced STARVIS 2 IMX675 sensor, the 70 MY Dash Cam is equipped with an exceptional optical lens featuring a large f1.8 aperture and 6 layers, alongside HDR technology, to capture critical details clearly even in low light conditions. Whether it's for daily driving or unexpected incidents, this dash cam helps you retain and provide crucial evidence, ensuring your safety. Number 1. ROVE R2 4K Dual Dash Cam. This 4K dash cam offers dual channel recording capabilities, capturing footage simultaneously from both the front and rear cameras. Equipped with a Sony STARVIS 2 image sensor for the front camera, this dash cam delivers exceptional image quality with vivid colors and sharp details even in challenging lighting conditions. With a 150-degree ultra-wide angle for the front camera and a 140-degree angle for the rear camera, you'll capture more of the road with this 4K dash cam. Plus, R2 4K Dual offers 3 options for its custom-designed 24-hour parking mode with voice guidance. 1 frame per second time-lapse video, motion detection, and collision detection. So, experience peace of mind with this front and rear car dash cam. Thanks for watching.